Hey guys, welcome again to my new video. So today guys, I will tell you about my life, like nowadays what I'm doing in my life and like from which kind of situation I'm suffering from my life. So you know guys, as you know, my name is Subhas and basically I'm from Jharkhand, Dhanbad, and right now I'm at Dhanbad, Jharkhand. So here guys, nowadays right now I'm learning repairing the things. You can see whatever you are looking, I'm learning, but I'm not feeling satisfied. You know why? Why I'm not feeling satisfied? Actually, I was working professionally in automobile sector in Maruti Suzuki. I worked there for 3 years. Right now it's 26. I work 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, around 3 years I worked there. Like I went for like ending August 2022, and I came around like July. July. So around 3 years. Okay. So actually, guys, I gave that place. I gave my best there. I know all the works, but company didn't permanent me. So when I came my home, at the time I thought that I will do something my near area. So first I think for some day, but I thought that at least I should do. If I will sit this kind of idle, and what will be happen? Nothing will be happen. So now here I have completed 1 month, and I learned lots of things. Okay, but you know what I'm feeling here? Actually, I'm not feeling satisfied. Why? Whenever I see outside the people are they are driving four wheeler, they're driving Fortuner, others car, and what I'm doing here? If I will do this work, will I achieve that kind of life? Just I was thinking and spending my time. So I don't know how can I buy that kind of car. Actually, I also want to buy. I have no any guidance. I don't know like what should I do. So that's why I'm doing now just this thing. But you know, like when I was doing this thing at the time, I thought that if continuously I will be do this thing, then what will be happen? Like if 1 month I have completed 1 month, so if I completed 1 month, then the second month will be also complete. But why is the possibility that uh, I will be change, I will be achieve those things? I'm not finding. So guys, I don't know what I will do, but I feel that through this work I will not achieve that thing. So I'm going to leave this work and I will do another thing. Okay, because if I do this thing, just I can spend my life. Okay, I will earn money, but no, not that much that I will be buy that kind of things. So I'm going to leave and just I will try another things. Then sometime I think that if continuously I work for 10 years, 15 years, it may chances to get, because if I work in the upper level, then I get. But I want earlier, like within 5 years, I want to live that kind of life. So what should I do? I want to live that kind of life earlier. The lots of people they are learning, they are living. But here, just I'm thinking that what I'm doing here. If I know the repairing things? Will I achieve that kind of things? Whatever I want to achieve, and you can see, guys, my face, right? It's dark black, and you can see the because it's outside. It's fully you can see. So I'm just sitting under the cricket. Uh, I can say roof. So it is hot dates, April and 28 April. So I think you may feel that situation. Okay. So next what I will do? First today I will go I will go my office and I will ask to the people from who told me that just you go and do training for 15 days. After that, I will send you to workplace. So first, I will go there and I will tell them that now I want work. Okay, I want to work. If you will give me that kind of life, then I will work with you. And otherwise, I will have to do another work. Because just here, I'm doing like what I'm doing. I'm just spending the time. I feel that. So, guys, and sometime what I feel that yeah, so as you're growing little bit, you're earning. The life is not like that. Within 1 month, within 2 months, you will achieve everything. It will take time because you are newer in this field. So if you will give some time, it will be better for you. Oh, what should I do here? I'm fully confused, guys. I'm fully confused. Like, what should I do? What should I not do? I don't know. I don't know. Water is hot. Water is hot. So, so guys, I don't know, but I'm saying that definitely time will change. Time will be not stay like this. Okay, the some pimple are inside my face. It was like before 2 days ago, guys. It looks so like a smart, but it's rain. It's a sunny day, a scorching hot. What the hell? Which kind of situation I'm suffering? What should I do, guys? I don't know. So, guys, you watching this video for learning English, okay? So, guys, keep practicing. So, actually, I practice every day. That's why I learn English, okay? So, some days I was feeling bad, good. So, the today is my bad day, I can say, because I'm feeling that I will not work. So, if I will work with this, then chances that it may get some, I might get something because when I started learning this language at that time, from many time I think that I should leave what I'm doing here, where I will lose my English, wow, why I'm practicing this kind of because environment environment was Hindi and I speak with only Hindi. Okay, I speak with only Hindi. So I created English environment. I practice. I used to practice and I still am practicing. And mirror talk is also great thing. You know, if you practice, just to think, guys, whatever right now I'm doing, if I'll do for just 1 year, every single day, if I'll do, will I find any improvement in my speaking, in my body language, in my other things? Because, guys, you know, we can see if we record ourselves after 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, we can see ourselves like which kind of situation when I was like in 2022 to like in your past, like which kind of look was showing and which kind of experience I had and which in which way I was speaking. Okay, so it is a great thing. uh, Record yourself every day for 10 minutes and speak whatever you want to speak. Yeah, speak wrong, right, it is not matter is speaking. So speak as much as you can speak. Okay, speaking is a great thing. If you will be speak, you will improve. If you will not speak, you will not improve. So, guys, whites look like white. I don't know, yeah. What's happening with me? You know. So, guys, I hope this video will like you and subscribe this channel for learning this language. And also, I'll share my own experience in life. So, guys, have a good day. Bye bye. Take care. We will meet soon. Bye. And keep learning and be happy in your life.